Thank you, Jason. Well, one of the woes of winter is ashy, chapped, tight skin. And we've been chatting about this in our offices, about how this season seems particularly brutal. So I feel like no matter how much moisturizer I put on my hands and my body, dry skin creeps back in. But here, with tips to combat dry skin is Jessica Hayes, founder of Skinphorea, and Shareese Shorter, co-owner of Skinphorea. Ladies, welcome to the show.
Hello, thank you.
It has been extra dry out
Yes,
there.
it has.
So we're going to go through some common skincare woes this time of year and ingredients that we should look for in our products to counteract that ash and that chap that a lot of us are experiencing.
Yes.
So number one, let's talk about the importance of changing your skincare routine and using hydrating products. You say that that's number one.
That's number one, because a lot of times when you use the same products and the same ingredients, your skin gets used to it.
Right.
And because of the harsh winter, it sucks out all the water and hydration from the skin, so you start to feel tight and dry. So we want to hydrate the skin and push water back into it.
Okay, so what we used in the summer, you cannot use in the winter.
Exactly.
So this is what you recommend for the winter. What kind of ingredients do they contain that we should be looking
Yeah,
for?
so you want to look for things like hyaluronic acid, glycerin, aloe vera, all of that boosts the hydration levels and then it locks it in. So you start to have a glow, you're not so tight and dry, and your dark spots and all that starts to lighten when you
like
have great glowing skin.
Right, lots of hydration.
Yep, definitely.
Hydration.
Yeah.
All right, so number two, let's talk about chapped lips.
Chapped lips, yeah. So with chapped lips, we always recommend to our clients Aquaphor. So a lot of times simple is better. A lot of these lip balms and chapsticks you use actually cause blackheads and whiteheads around your lip. So with this, it's clear, clean ingredients, so it's still gonna hydrate and protect the lips without causing those breakouts around your
Okay,
lip.
so you say stay away from the shea butter.
For your lips and
For
face.
your lips
Yep.
and your face. So, but we also want to have, you said, Aquaphor petroleum, and what else?
Yep, so that's the main thing is petroleum. So if you have acne-prone skin, you wanna stay away from shea butter.
Okay,
Yeah.
all right. So number three, let's talk about dry hands. 'Cause
Yes.
everybody knows I'm a little bit of a germaphobe. I'm constantly washing my hands.
Yes.
But then I'll put lotion on, but 2 seconds later they're dry again. Jason was talking about his dry hands just a second ago. So what should we be using on our hands?
Well, the key ingredient for a great hand cream or moisturizer is going to be the exact opposite of what you're using on your face, shea butter.
Okay.
That really locks in, seals in moisture. In the wintertime, you want to go cream over lotion. Summertime, you might do lotion over cream, but that thickness is what you need to just lock in the moisture. So my personal favorite is the Moroccan oil. It's great, it's very non-greasy. The key here is after you wash your hands, you kind of just want to pat dry. Like I know a lot of us want to get everything completely dry, but you want to pat dry, put the cream on, spread it in, and then while your hand is still drying from the moisture of the water, it will absorb and soak in that cream and kind of give you that good soft base that you're looking for.
Okay, that was a real aha moment for me, because when I tell you I dry my hands,
no.
I'm like paper towel down.
No,
So leave just a little bit of
damp. It's
moisture.
not soaking wet, but just a little bit.
It's a little dry and
Yeah.
a little air.
Some of that.
Yeah, put some
that
lotion on
Moroccan.
for that
Yeah.
ash.
Here's this
Let
one.
Jason try some of that. And then while he's doing that, let's talk about products to use after showering.
Yes.
Another thing, as soon as you said that, that made me think like I'm trying to dry off real
Yep.
quick. Probably not what I'm supposed to be doing,
No,
right?
especially in the wintertime. Like me, I am an eczema, psoriasis sufferer. I've been that way since a very young child. So understanding that the key to moisture, the key to getting your products to work is that damp skin. My personal favorite right now, which we do sell at the spa as well, is Sincerely Yours. It's a bath and body oil. 2 capfuls of this in the bath with your bubbles. It works tremendously well to keep you hydrated. Even after you shower, if you rub it on while you're still damp, your skin absorbs it so you don't have that greasy feel. You're not leaving, any marks or anything on your clothing.
I like that. So after I get out of the shower.
Yes.
Yeah.
And then the key
Dry out.
ingredient here is the vitamin E, which is great antioxidants, anti-aging, and it also has mineral almond oil, which
oil, yes.
seals in that moisture. And that's really what you're looking for in the wintertime, is something to seal in that moisture.
So you don't wake up in the morning and you're ashy all over again.
Correct.
I
Exactly.
swear to God, I
Yes.
put lotion on last night.
Exactly.
Ladies, thank you so much. Now, remind everyone where you're located currently.
Yes.
So Skinphorea, we're located in Royal Oak, 621 South Washington Avenue.
Yes, so
Yeah.
we've done a story with you guys before.
Yeah,
And
definitely.
join us on the Live in the D Facebook page right after the show. We've got one more pro tip about something that you can
Yes.
use in the shower
Exciting.
Oh, yeah.
to make you breathe really well. Another issue that we're struggling with
Yes.
this winter. Ladies, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Jason, over to you.
It's so soft, it's supple, smells good too.